Now we will see the topic of determinant. Now see, this is a matrix A with these numbers at their respective positions. That is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. And the symbol of the determinant is written as det A or just with a mod type A. This is not a mod symbol, but this is just a this is not a mod, but this is just a symbol. That's all. You can find the determinant of the square matrices only. Those matrices whose number of rows is equal to number of columns, like n cross n. For example, 3 cross 3, 2 cross 2, 4 cross 4. But not for rectangular matrices, that is 3 cross 4 or 2 cross 3. Now, before I start expanding this determinant, I'll tell you how to put the signs on this. Now, see one thing. This position is A11. A11 is this position, A11. So you put minus 1 to the power of the row. This is the first row, I plus j. You will have to use this idea basically. Now here in this case, A11 minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1, that is 2 minus 1 square. So it is plus 1. So the sign on the top of this will be, let me rub it now. Now let me rub it. Now wait. On the top of 5, this sign will be plus. Now this position, you talk about this position. Now this is basically A12. Now minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 is 1 plus 2 is minus 1 to the power of 3, and this is minus 1. So the sign on the top of this one, wait, the sign on the top of this one would be minus. Now, instead of remembering like this, it is easier to remember like this. Now, see, what is the easier way? Let me rub this. Let me rub this. Now, start with this. Put a plus sign here. Put a plus sign here. Put a minus sign on this. Put a plus sign. Put a minus. Put a plus. Put a minus. Put a plus. Put a minus. Put a plus in this manner. That is, you write. You put the signs in this manner. That is, you go in an anti-clockwise direction, putting signs. Anti-clockwise direction, putting signs plus minus in this manner. Now when I expand this determinant in the form of this row, the first row, what I do is that I rub the rest of the signs. Now I have got this sign, I have got this sign, I have got this sign. Now what I'll do, I'll expand with respect to this first row. Now I will cover this first row like this. First, I will now cover this first column. Now, what you are seeing, put up 5 here. The 5 is put here with the plus sign on the top. 6060242. 6042. You are seeing. Now, on the top of 1, there is a minus sign. So, here this minus comes because of that. Now, when I am trying to expand with the second column, now what I will do is that I will remove this line and I will cover this column now. Now what I see is this 2032 as you are seeing here. Now what I'll do is that in the next step I will cover the third column. Now you see I'll cover the third column. Third column is covered, and with the minus sign here there is a plus sign on the top. So plus into minus will give me minus only here. So with this I see 2634 to 2634. Now what I do is that I now do one thing. Let me now rub this all. This you will do with pencil. This one you will do with pencil. While you are doing solving this problem in the examination, you will be using pencil. That's all. Now what you will do is this. I'm just rubbing this all. Now you will do is you will cross multiply this way and this way, this way and this way, this way and this way. Now 6 2s are 12, 4 into 0 is 0, minus sign, 2 2s are 4, 3 into 0 is 0. Now 2 4s are 8 and 3 6 are 18. Now what you will do is that you will subtract this, you will get 12, you will get a 4 here, you will get minus 10. Now let me scroll down a bit. Now let me scroll down. Now you see here that, wait, going too far, fast. Now here it is 5 into 12, 1 into 4 and minus into minus 10. So this becomes 64 and plus 10. Remember this result, 66. Now what I am going to do is that I'm going to expand with the respect with the second row. With the second row, wait a minute, with the second row. Now you see, I'll expand in this manner. I'll use this row to expand. What I'll do is that I'll do the same thing, plus sign, plus sign, plus, minus, and a plus. Now, see, I will do one thing. I'll now keep these symbols because I'm going to expand with this row. What I'll do, I'll rub the rest of the symbols. This, and this. Now I will expand with this row. I'll draw a line here. Now for the first column. Now I cover this column. Now with 2, there is in front of 2, there is a plus sign, and on the top there is a minus sign. The minus into plus is minus, therefore it is a minus 2 here. Then you can see 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 4, 2, 1, minus 1, 4, 2. Similarly, now you will cover the second column. Now the first column is over. Now you will cover the second column. Now you see it is plus 6. And what are the numbers left? 5, minus 1, 3, 2. 5, minus 1, 3, 2. Now for the sake of completeness, I am using this expansion with 0. Otherwise, there is no necessary. Just for the sake of completeness, I'm doing it. Suppose instead of 0, there was some number, then you would have to do it in this manner. If there is a 0, you can just skip this you can skip this point. But for the completeness, I'm doing it. So let's see. Let's see. Now with minus sign on the top, on this, sorry, the point went off. Wait, wait. Something happened. Wait, let me draw this line. Yes, now I'll cross this line. And there was, yes, so minus 0, you can see this sign with minus 0. I have 5, 1, 3, 4. 5, 1, 5, 1, 3, 4. Now what I'll do cross multiplication the way I did in the upper part, this way, this way, this way, and this way. Now see what happens. Now see what happens. Now see what happens is this. Now you have minus 2 here as it is. 1 into 2 is 2. 4 into 1 minus 1 is minus 4, but there is a minus on this. Now 6, 10 and minus 3, 0, 5 4 are 20 and minus 3, minus 2, 2 plus 4 and 6, 10 plus 3, 0 and 17. This is coming out to be plus 6 here, plus 13 and a 0. Now if you add 2 6 are 12, that is minus 12, and 6 3 is 78. Subtract, you will get 66. Can you see one thing? This result and this result are same. So whether you expand it in the first row or the second row, it remains the same. Now let's see with the column wise. Let me do with the second column. Let me do with this column. Now see, I will put the same thing, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Now I will, since I will be expanding with this, I'll circle them. And the rest I will remove. I'll rub them out. I'll just rub them out. Now with this column, I will be expanding. So I will first cross this column like this. Now with the first row, now see, first element of this. So this is minus 1 because in front of 1 there is plus, on the top there is minus. Therefore minus into plus is minus. Therefore this minus 1 comes here. 2032. You can see 2032, 2032. Similarly, now you take the 6, you take 6. Now in front of 6, you have on the top you have plus, and in front of 6 also you have plus sign. So you will write it as plus 6. When you are trying to expand it with the second row, wait, now I will I'll draw a line here, cross this one now. Now you 6, 5, minus 1, and 3 and 2. 5, minus 1, 3 and 2. Now with respect to the last row, now you see how to do it. With the last row, now in front, on the top of 4, there is minus sign, and in front of 4, there is a plus sign. As there is no sign, this is a plus sign. As there is no sign, we'll consider this as plus. This plus into this minus will give me minus. Therefore, this is a minus 4. Now 5 minus 1, 20. 5 minus 1, 20. You will multiply in this manner the way we did earlier. You will multiply in this manner. This manner. So this will give me minus 1, 2 twos are 4, and 3 into 0 will give me 0. 6 as it is, 5 twos are 10, and 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, and this is minus because you're subtracting in this direction. You're going multiplying in this direction, sorry. Now minus 4, 5 into 0 is 0, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, and in this direction you have to put a minus sign as I have already told you. Now see, from here, this is 4 minus 0 is 4, and outside there is a minus, minus 4. 10 plus 3 it will be, here it is, and 0 plus 2, 0 plus 2. Now you will do, this is minus 4, this is 6 into 13 minus 8. Minus 4 and minus 8 is minus 12, and 6 into 13 is 78. Again you got the same result. Now you have expanded in the second column. Now you can see these three results, this and this, all of them are same. Now I am expanding it in the, I'm trying to expand it with respect to the first column. Now you see, put a plus sign, sorry, put a plus sign, put a minus sign and put a plus sign, encircle it. Now with this column we are doing it. So let us now hide the first row. Now 5, now 6042, you got 6042. Now what you do is that you hide the second row. Wait, you now hide the second row. Now with the hiding the second row, you have 2 here, you have 2 here, which is a positive, and on the top there is a minus sign. So plus into minus is minus, therefore this minus comes here, and 1 minus 1 4 2. 1 minus 1 4 2 is here. This does the job. Now for the last row, let's rub this, let's take this, let's cross this like this. Now you have plus 3, because now this 3, in front of 3 there is a plus sign, and on the top also there is a plus sign. So plus into plus is plus, therefore it is a plus sign. Plus 3 with 1 minus 1, 60. Now what you have to do, you have to cross multiply in this manner, the way we did earlier. And the same principle. Now you will get 6 2s are 12, 4 into 0 is 0, minus 2, 2 minus 4, and 3 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0, 6 into minus 1 is minus 6, but in this direction, you have to put a minus sign. So now you got this. Now 5 into 12, 2 minus 2 into this minus, this minus 2, this minus 2, and this minus into minus is plus 4, and minus into minus is plus 6. So now you got 5 into 12 is 60, 2 into 6, 6 you will 12, 3 into 6 is 18. If you get, again you got the same result. So however you expand, whether you expand in the form of row or you want to expand it in the form of column, you will always get the same answer provided you do your calculations correctly. Okay.